Hey friend, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for jumping on my channel and joining me for a class today. Now I have got a Pilates class using our Theraband, a nice long one for what we're about to do today. Mine's kind of a medium resistance, but if you've got a really light or a really strong one, it's okay. Just, notice how it feels in your body. Either way, roll out your mat and let's get started. As you can see, I am sitting on the Theraband or the resistance band, whatever you want to call it, and it's evenly spread out underneath me. Now, just at first, let your hands hang on your side, pull your belly button in, lift your head a little higher, and let's wake up our upper body with a little roll of our shoulders backwards, and a little roll of our shoulders forwards. And reach of your hands up nice and high, big deep breath right here. Take a twist to the right, right hand back, left hand forward. Inhale, both hands lift high. Twist to the other way. Both hands lift high. Flip the palms and let them return to the ground. Now I want you to take the band on your left side and grab it with your right hand and wrap your hand around it once or twice. And now at first, all I want us to do is sit tall and straight, lift up and out of the waist, pull the low belly in. It's like that belt got one notch tighter, and then from here, all I want you to do is poke your elbow away and then pull it back across your body. Poke the elbow away and then pull it back across the body. For 3 and 2, last 1. Now this time, pull your elbow into your side, kind of like you're hugging something underneath your armpit, and punch your hand away from you. Imagine there's a little table underneath your arm, and all I want you to do is rotate your hand open and rotate it closed. Do you notice that my elbow and my arm are not moving away from my body? I'm not lifting that elbow out. I'm opening and closing. I want you to think about wrapping your right shoulder blade in towards your spine as you open and close. 3 more, open and close. 2, last 1. Now this time, look towards the left. And as you open, I want you to rotate, so you're gonna get a little bit more range of motion, and then pull it back. Exhale, rotate, open. Inhale, pull it back. 3 more, rotate, open. Bring it back. Now see, my elbow is still not actually moving away. I'm just getting a little extra range of motion because I have added my spine in there. Last one, open. Bring it back. Release that hand, let that side go. Grab the other side, wrap it once or twice, and we'll start with that little elbow pull. Shoulders back, head high, belly button up and in. Big inhale, exhale, poke the elbow away. Bring it back across. Exhale, poke the elbow away. Bring it back across. For 3 and 2, last 1. Good. Hug your elbow in, punch the hand away, broaden across the chest, lift your head higher, put a smile on your face. Big inhale. Exhale, just the arm goes, bring it back. I'm almost imagining right now that I'm sitting up against a wall and I'm actively pressing both of my shoulders into the wall so they stay stable, they stay still, and I'm lifting my head up and away. Beautiful. Keep pulling that elbow into your side like you're hugging newspaper or something underneath your armpit. Now, last one, just like that. Bring it closed and then turn to face the right, and then exhale, we rotate open. Inhale, pull it back. Exhale, tone the tummy, rotate open, bring it back. 3 more, open, return. 2 more, open, bring it back. Last one, open, bring it back, pause, release the hand. Now this time, again, we're gonna go and grab it with the right hand on the left side, give it once or twice little wrap, and I want you to punch the hand away. Now it's kind of easy to kind of cave in here, but we're still sitting up tall and straight, we're still pulling that shoulder in, and you're punching your hand out. There's already some tension in the band. I want you to think of yourself as a little sprinkler. We're gonna go 3, 2, 1, pull it back. Rotate 3, 2, 1, pull it back. Ideally, your hand is staying level the entire time. Exhale, 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 return for return. 3 and 2. Last 1. Bring it back, hold. Punch the hand away, soften the shoulder down the back, pull the navel in. I want you to circle the hand around, going in one direction. We're gonna do both, so it doesn't really matter if you're going the same or opposite direction as I am right now, not the end of the world. Take it in the other way. Keep that arm so straight, so long. Go in the first direction again. Last time, reverse. Let it go. Let that hand go. Catch your other little guy, give it a wrap. Remember, we're starting off with that little sprinkler move. So punch the hand away, wrap your left shoulder blade in towards your body, pull the navel in. We are in a slight twist right now. Our arm is moving because our little body is moving with us, but we're gonna go 3, 2, 1, pull it back. 3, 2, 1, pull it back. Exhale. Again. 2 more. Last 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold. Sit tall, sit straight, shoulder down the back, head nice and high, and start those circles. I know it's those small moves that get us, right? I'm trying as hard as I can to keep my arms straight, to wrap my shoulder blade in, and of course, as always, to use my abdominal muscles in the opposite direction. If there is tension in your jaw, in your face, you smile. I hope you keep a smile on your face while you're practicing with me. It should be fun and enjoyable. Go the other way. First direction again. And relax. Good job. All right, keep the band in place, but we're gonna go ahead and come up to standing. And then this is kind of interesting, but we are going to step on the edge of the band with your left foot, and you're gonna grab the other side with your right hand, and you might wrap it up once or twice. And from here, we're going to kind of hop out into a little lunge. You can kind of think of this as a mini warrior 2. So we're keeping the band in place with our left foot. You're gonna put a little bend in your knee, take a big inhale, and we're using our upper body just like we've already done, but you're gonna punch the hand away, jumping out to your little warrior, and then pull yourself back. Exhale, punch. Inhale, return. Tone the tummy. Bring it back. Now, if your lunge is a little wider than mine or a little more narrow, that's okay. Exhale, punch, pull it back. Exhale, punch, pull it back. For 3 and 2. Last one, punch, pause. Hold right here. Belly button up and in. Really point your right knee forward. Press down to the pinky edge of your left toe. Reach the hand nice and far away. And guess what? It's time for those circles that we were already doing today. Now, even though, of course, my upper body is working so hard, circling my little band around, I want you to engage your abdominal muscles. Cinch the waist like your belt got 1 notch tighter. Reverse other direction. Go in the first direction again. And reverse. And then from here, keep the hand away, take your other hand out and away. Press down into an imaginary table underneath your left hand. And from here, I want you to dive a little bit forward. As you exhale, trim the waist, pull yourself back. Inhale, dive forward. Stretch that Theraband. Exhale, pull it back. 3 more. Reach, 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 reach. Pull it back. 2 more. Reach, 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 reach. Pull it back. Last one out. Hold. Take a great big breath and let it go. Good. Unravel your Theraband. Let it lie flat on the mat. We'll step on it with our right foot. Grab it with our left. And wrap the hand up once or twice. Same thing, other direction. We start with our belly button in, our head nice and high, our shoulders down the back, a soft bend in our knees, and then big inhale, exhale, punch away, inhale, pull it back. Exhale, punch away, inhale, pull it back. Out and in. Tone the tummy, squeeze the thud. Tone the tummy, squeeze the thud. You know that thigh-butt connection point I like to talk about in my class. Our glutes, our hamstrings should be just as active as our abdominal muscles in pretty much everything we do. Let's go for 3 and 2. Last one, hold, belly button in, lift high, shoulders down the back. You can always improve on your posture no matter how strong you are. I have to think about mine all the time too. And then same thing, circles. Keep the arm active. Reach that fist nice and far away. Think about wrapping the shoulders towards the spine or kissing the shoulder blades together, whatever works better for you. Reverse those circles. And again, other way. And reverse. Then hold right here for a moment, belly button up and in. Exhale, drive yourself forward, and then tone the tummy as you pull it back. Drive yourself forward, cinch the waist as you pull it back. Reach, exhale, pull. Reach, exhale, pull. Last one, take a big breath, bring it in, and relax. Good job, my friend. Go ahead and catch your Theraband. We're actually gonna lie on our back for this guy. Before we lie down though, do take it around your right foot. And now I like to put it across the ball of my foot and around my toes rather than in the arch. If you have a habit of kind of cramping through your feet, making sure that it's on the ball, not the arch, is gonna help right there. But when you're ready, lie down on your back, lift your foot up nice and high. You can have a bend or straighten the leg. But from here, all I want us to do, and anytime you're holding the foam roller, or the Theraband, you can wrap the hands up a couple of times if that feels more supportive on you. For this one, it's going to be more challenging if you have a looser grip and a little bit easier if we have a tighter grip. So you can always adjust and modify for yourself. But from here, stomp into your left foot, imprint the spine, broaden across the chest, and press the backs of your arms into the mat beneath you. I want you to inhale, drive the heel down, exhale, tone the tummy lift. Inhale, drive the foot down, exhale, tone the tummy lift. Down, exhale, up. Down, exhale, up. For 3 and 2. Last one, lift, pause. Flex the foot if you've kind of pointed it all. I have a habit of kind of flointing, like a half point, half flex through my foot there. And I want you to take a big inhale and pick up your left leg. Tokume, point and flex, soft, whatever feels better. Keep the right leg in place. Now inhale, straighten the left leg. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it in. Inhale, straighten the left leg. Exhale, pull it in. Reach and release. Reach and release. For 3 and 2. Last one. Pull it in, pause, set the foot down, take a breath, and then you're going to replace the left foot where the right foot was. And then same thing, give it a flex, find that stretch. Elbows are still pressing down the back, down the mat. Shoulders are rolling down the back, and then we drop the foot, we kick it up. We drop the foot, we kick it up. Down and up, down and up. Every time I lift my foot, I think about my abdominal muscles working a little bit harder to carry my leg up over my body. 2 more. Last one. Lift it up, pause, take a big breath. Pick up your right leg. Give it a flex, give it a point, whatever feels better for you, but extend the leg long and bring it in. Now you know that it is okay if you do not look just like me. If we can't extend the leg fully, or if you more reach it up to the sky because that is what's working for your body today, it's okay. I just want us to incorporate a little bit of movement in our non-supported leg while keeping our tummy muscles working, our low back touching the mat. Last time. Bring it in, pause, set the foot down, take a breath, put your right foot back inside, left foot down, and then from here, all I want us to do is take a big inhale, lift your left foot up to the sky too. Might feel a little bit wonky, we're pulling down on the right, we're lifting the left, and then from here, all I want us to do is keep the left foot in place. If we need to set it down, that's okay. But again, I want you to drop the right foot down, exhale, tone and lift. Inhale, drop the right foot down, exhale, tone and lift. 3, 2, last one. Lift, pause, keep the right foot in place, and now the left foot goes down and lift. Down and lift. Lower and lift. Lower and lift. For 3 and 2. Last 1. Now we're going to kind of scissor the legs back and forth. Right foot goes down and then switch. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. For 3 and 2. Last 1. Beautiful. Switch. Which foot is inside, which foot is outside. Shoulders down the back, chest nice and broad. Smile upon your face. And then here we go. It's the foot inside the band that's going to go first. Goes down and up. Down and up. Feel your low back touch. If your leg does not go as far down to the ground as mine does, that's totally fine. If there's a bend in either of your knees, that's okay too. If you only do 3 of these and not the same amount that I'm doing, that's okay. Lift the leg up, pause, flex the feet. Now opposite foot down and up. For me, that's my right foot. My left foot is still inside the band, but if you're doing the other side, not a big deal. Inhale, tone the tummy. Down, exhale up. I squeeze my thigh, I cinch the waist. I squeeze my thigh, I cinch the waist. 2 more. And last 1. Now comes that fun little scissor guy. Drop the left, and then we go switch and switch. Switch and switch. Beautiful job. Back and forth. For 3 and 2. Last 1. Beautiful. Go ahead, take both feet out of the band, set it off to the side, reach your hands high overhead and give your fingertips a little wiggle. Extend the hands and feet away from one another, stretching long from your toes through your body out to your fingertips. Press your feet into the floor once more. Keep your hands over your head as you imprint the spine and lift up into a little bridge pose. Squeeze your thought. Take a big inhale. From the sternum, roll yourself down. Inhale, lift the hips up. Exhale, roll yourself down. Inhale, lift the hips up. Last 1 down. Pause. Stretch the hands and feet away from one another. Wiggle anything you like to. And then roll to one side. Push yourself up to a seat. As always, give yourself a pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I hope you enjoyed our lovely little Pilates class using our Theraband. I hope we're feeling stronger, and I cannot wait to see you again.